Hello, myself Deep Patel. I am the judge of this contest. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants as each and every photos were top notch. It was too difficult for me to decide the top winner as there were so many tough competitors. But I did my best to pick the excellent one. I would also like to add that no matter you win or not, as participation is mean because it at least makes us identify that where our photos are standing out and how more improvement we need in future. So hope you all will agree with my decision. Good luck.
Mobile category top 30 shortlisted. Mobile category winners 2021. Fifth position goes to Sridhar Malagi. Reason of selection: the shot looks really unique. Photographer took conceptual shot on current situation in world. The message of this picture and the efforts of the photographer makes the photo stand out. Fourth place goes to Harshit Patel. Reason of selection: the concept in the picture is really fantastic. The photographer made the picture storytelling. The photographer took really a creative shot using sun as a main subject. Third place goes to Harsh Patel. Reason of selection: the picture looks very amazing. Photographer took this shot with very unique perspective which makes this shot eye-catching. It's a minimal shot with creativity. Second place goes to Radhika Jhunjhunwala. Reason of selection: crisp details in the image without any blurriness. Shot was captured during golden hour which make the picture look more enhancing. Difficult to capture such macro shots which need lots of patience. First place goes to Arpan Biswas. Reason of selection: the composition of this shot is really good. Shot was captured with perfect timing. Photographer managed to capture this shot from lower angle which make it look more realistic. It's a storytelling picture in which a boy at the left side is looking to others boys swimming. 6th to 10th position winners are as follows for mobile category. Five lucky winners are as follows for mobile category. Three surprise winners for mobile category. DSLR category top 30 shortlisted. DSLR category winners 2021. Fifth place goes to Bhupati Chinnapayan. Reason of selection. This shot looks absolutely stunning. Photographer took many shots to get this final result. The shot was captured in low light, though the photographer managed to get a sharp image of the boy kicking the football in a stylish way. Fourth place goes to Devashi Mukherjee. Reason of selection. Photographer took a shot of Hindu ritual Tapana in a very meaningful way. It's a candid picture of a priest guiding the group in performing the rituals, which make it storytelling. The shot was captured from really different perspective. Third place goes to Arun Habdan. Reason of selection. A really well composed and quality long exposure shot. Capturing such shots need proper location, timing, patience and efforts, wherein the model is standing still for more than 20 to 30 seconds. A combination of light painting along with Milky Way makes the photo look extraordinary. Second place goes to Pushpendu Paul. Reason of selection. Photographer captured a colorful picture. Colors represents joy and happiness, which makes the picture looks outstanding. Photographer took lots of efforts to execute the idea of creating this image. Concept is really good, but it seems like the boy in form of Lord Krishna is playing the flute, which makes the colors rain on him. First place goes to Abhishek Basak. Reason of selection. It's an eye-catching, heart-touching and storytelling picture with deep meaning behind it. The photographer tried to resemble the poverty of rural children which are protesting in their own way. The concept of the picture makes this photo worth recognizing. 6th to 10th position winners are as follows for DSLR category. Five lucky winners are as follows for DSLR category. Three surprise winners for DSLR category.
Hello, myself Prajwal Bhadange. I am the founder and managing director of Instagram page known as Indian Photos. I was really glad to see so many participants in this contest. All the contestants' photos were really outstanding. But we all know that only few photos get selected to the top. That doesn't mean you should get disappointed. An artist should always try to showcase his or her talent to the world, and one day he will be definitely recognized if he or she really deserves. Our main motto is to bring all the beginner and professional photographers together and build a community. Our team always try to improve in every events. In the next event we will put more efforts and bring more big opportunities for you all. Thank you. Keep clicking and keep learning.